Hello, just a quick note in the beginning. Tutorials are like this were recorded before we rebranded to LAKIOO. We have already released a new version of the Creator app, and everything you see in LAKIOO Creator can be used in LAKIOO Creator as well. We want to be more visible, and you can also be more visible with our app. Hello, my name is Lukáš, and in this video I will show you how the LAKIOO Creator looks like. I will introduce you to the working environment and the general layout, and we can also create simple projects using the LAKIOO Creator. We've been working in this market segment for several years. We've tried many solutions until our requirements exceeded the current market offerings, and that's why we decided to develop our own suite. At the same time, we realized that it has to be not only very powerful and versatile, but also user-friendly and easily understandable for everybody to be able to create content even without any previous knowledge and programming skills. During the creation of our graphical project, we collected a lot of know-how over the years, and we were wondering how to use it to make work much easier and faster. We have applied all our acquired knowledge into LAKIOO software, and now we want to share it with you. Although we think that the software is so user-friendly that there is no need for any user manual, we decided to create a series of tutorials to explain it in a more efficient way. If you already have LAKIOO Creator installed as in our previous video, let's start. Now we are in the main menu where we see 6 buttons. Here we will decide what we are going to do. We have multiple options. The buttons on the right side refer to creation and modification of your project. We can view the list of projects and resume working on project by clicking on My Project button or edit an already published project. If we just want to make changes to the schedule of the project, we use this button to change it. Just change the schedule of the selected project and send it to the player. The buttons on the left refer to creation new project. If you just want to get inspiration, open case studies where you can just take a look, or you can also import the entire project and change it as you like. When we are going to create a new project, to follow along, we recommend you to have some of your own media files, such as videos or photos, ready for use. We will look for them in our PC and drag and drop them here into the media library, where we can further sort them as we need, and so that we can easily find them later and work more efficiently. So let's begin. Click the New Project button, and I'll choose project name My First Project. And for this example, I'll keep the full HD resolution and in landscape orientation. By clicking OK, we get to the working environment of the LAKIOO Creator. The buttons related to the action from the main menu can be found at the left upper corner of the screen. New Project, My Project, Import Project. There are 2 ways to get back to the main menu. The first is by clicking the LAKIOO software icon. The second way is by clicking the back button in the upper right corner. The next step buttons takes us further if we have already created a project or want to schedule and publish it. The dominant part of the screen is taken by the canvas, where the content is composed by using various widgets that we see on the left side. We can add text widget, image widget, background widget, web page widget, video widget, touch widget, shape widget, page navigation widget, scrolling text widget, RSS widget, PDF widget, and clock and calendar widget. Above the canvas, we can find a section called toolbar. There are tools such as multi-project or screensaver. Then there are tools for quick adjustment of the widget such as cut, copy, move left up or down, align. Then here we can find the button undo and redo, save, export, and general project settings. The settings of the widgets that we are currently working with are always displayed on the right side. Widget can be put onto the canvas with simple double click, or even easier by dragging and dropping them directly onto the canvas, and thus directly determining the position where we want the widget to be located. The position can be changed by clicking on the widget when it is highlighted and can be directed to the desired position. Alternatively, it can be resized by dragging its borders. After we are done working with the widget, click anywhere outside of the active widget zone. If we use widget that requires media files such as photos or videos, the media library, where I have already prepared some files, will automatically appear on the left side, instead of the widget. To go back to the widget, I just click the button Widget. Below the canvas, the thumbnails of the project pages are located. Add Page and View Pages buttons are where we can add a new page or display the structure of the pages, which we will use especially when we create interactive projects there where we see the continuity and interlinking of the pages with each other. If the canvas seems too small, we can zoom into it using the mouse wheel or choose magnification from this drop-down menu. We move around zoomed in area by holding down the spacebar and the left mouse button. If we are only editing position and size of widgets that are on canvas, we can hide the right and left edges with these two arrows. So let's create a page just for example. I can drag and drop the text widget here. After double clicking, I can start writing directly into it. Simply I'll center it horizontally, now vertically. Mark the text and change the size. I see that it doesn't fit into space provided, so I'll enlarge it and recenter the widget. I will use the shape widget to make it more attractive. For example, a star shape. I will change its size and color. And I have to move it down a layer. Center it onto the canvas. Yes. I'll add a time and date. To align the edges of the widget, I can display a grid or use the Smart Guide feature from the toolbar, and this helps me to evenly space out the widget. Let's disable the name day from the date widget simply by unclicking the name day checkbox. Now I will just insert background, choose the one I like, and the page is ready. I almost forgot about the one important feature, and that is the preview. It is located here on the right side in the toolbar section. By clicking on it, the page will be displayed in full screen mode, and this way we get an accurate representation of the page and see it as it will look like after being published to the player. You can exit preview by pressing Escape or F11 and close the window. If we do not need to see the edges of the widget zone, we can hide them by clicking this icon so that it's not red, or we just turn off the show widget name. So, that would be all for this short introduction of our software. I believe that you have watched the video up to this point and that you got good overview of our software. In the description of this video, you will find a link where you can download the LAKIOO Creator software. Check out our other videos, leave a comment if you have any feedback and if you like the video, or let me know what would you like to see in the next video, unless we've already done it. See you in the next video. Stay creative and simply create.